So a little while ago, I bought some new suspension for my daily driver. I wasn't really planning on recording it. I did record, so I have bits and pieces of it. So with what I have, I would like to show you guys it. I would like to upgrade my daily driver. It has 180,000 miles on it with the original suspension. They are starting to creak and make noise. So I could just simply replace the shocks, but why not make it look a little more fun and handle a little better? I made these so I can measure exactly where to go. The front ones are set and also the rear ones. They have been set and are ready to be put on. I had to torque them down, that was fun. These lug nuts on the right hand side are super tight, as you can see the wheel is moving. Probably from the shop I took it to previously. They love over torquing. What's crazy is the suspension actually didn't feel that bad, but this is bad. I'm using the old mount for the new strut assembly. All right, a quick thumbs up for this side done. Now let's repeat on the passenger side. Yeah. And now we do the rear, which is much easier because the shock and spring is separate. And you see this one on the left? Yeah, it's been leaking for a while. And another shock absorber, completely bad and worn and ready for replacement. Yikes. So I decided to just do both sides of the rear because the rear has a rear beam axle. It's one long bar, whatever you want to call it, rear beam. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just going to do them both. As I drop this out, I'm going to place it next to the new spring and look at the difference in length. Man. As I attempt and struggle to cut this piece of plastic, I have to use this top piece for the new shock. The other one. Oh no, what is that? Notes? I haven't been using notes. So the piece that you adjust your height with, that goes on top, as you can see there. I am now repositioning the jack so I can keep tension on this side, so I can now do the same thing to the left side. Now I will install the boot or the cover for the shock. And here's the piece that I struggled to cut earlier. That simply goes on top, and it's like a mount pretty much. And last but not least, the other side. Who put that there? Now I just line everything up as I slowly jack the jack up. Time to install the rear wheels and put her down. Now that I have successfully lowered my second car, I now have to use these because the jack that I have will no longer work. I mean, it can work, but I have to use this here car jack, jack it up a little, and then use the jack. So yes, I will be in need of a low profile jack soon. But this is the way I will do it for now. Now, after I'm finally finished, how do I feel about this? The height is pretty good. I would like the back to be a little lower, but for now, it will stay the same. Don't mind the wheels, those will be replaced soon. Even feels like I'm sitting lower. I'm sitting about as low as the Lexus now. Whew. So yeah, I mainly did this because, as y'all can see, those shocks was completely done. The left rear one leaked all the fluid out. So, why not lower it a little with the new shocks? Why not? Also, I do plan on uploading more videos eventually. So if you don't mind, please hit that like button and subscribe if you will. Thank you guys.